Hey guys, it's Tony with Truffletopia here to bring you a quick 4-ingredient recipe. I have some xuong, aka Chinese sausage. I have Truffletopia black truffle sauce, white rice, and I'm hard boiling some eggs in the Instapot. Let's get it. First we're gonna add our xuong to a bowl, then a little truffle sauce. Mix that up in there good. And then it goes to a pot to steam. Pot's on a low boil. And when all is said and done, here's what you see. Now that's amazing. Get it with a little egg, xuong, truffle, and of course, some rice. All right, I gotta go and finish eating this.